Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and customize your Shopify store checkout. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website if you have not already. So go right here to shopify.com, and after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do in the upper right corner, if you have not already, is go ahead and log into your Shopify account. So if you do not already have one, sign up for one, and after logging in, this is the main page you're going to be greeted by. From here, we can get started setting up our Shopify website and store. So let's go and take a look at how to customize our checkout. As you can see right here at the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections we can access, and at the bottom of the page is the settings menu that you want to go ahead and click on. Once you open up the settings, here at the left side of the screen, we can go ahead and find out the checkout menu right here. This is going to enable us to customize our checkout. So here you can go ahead and select the customer contact method that you want to use for your checkout, customer information. If it only requires the last name, first and last name, and so on, all of that is editable and set upable right here. So you can also manage your marketing options, tipping options, advanced preferences. Everything you need is going to go and be able right here to be found right here to set up. So once you're satisfied, you've checked all the options that you want to go and edit out right here, and you're satisfied, just click the X button right here. It's going to return, and it's automatically going to save the options for your customized checkout, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.